This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stanley Warner. Gorgeous unobstructed views of Indian River Lagoon from this updated/upgraded pool home 2-zone HVAC main unit replaced 2019, solar hot water heater, BRAZIIAN cherrywood floors in main living R, complete septic system and lines replaced 2019 to 2021. All new impact windows and doors installed March 22, exterior repainted April 2022 with RIPARIAN rights. Kitchen upgraded with marble tile counters, redone cabinets, new frig, dishwasher, microwave and cooktop. Flexible closing, can do quick close if needed. For those that work at home, 2 separate areas are set up for fully functional office space. One overlooking the peaceful Intracoastal and the other overlooking the pool area and wooded area behind the house for a nice relaxing work environment. For more information, review the details below or contact Stanley Warner at 954-693-0100.